control it, so that's one of the thing. And also you can turn off, you can see I can turn off the light. You just push it and it turns off, and you can turn this side, it turns on. They have the competitor, what is it, 5060 and 5060 Ti also, but depends on your use case and budget, everything. If you compare with the 5060, I think this is very much better. Ti. Hello guys, finally we have here the ASRock 9060 XT OC edition. You can see this is one of the best looking graphic card with the 9060. You can see this comes with the triple fan, and it has a good speed of overclocking speed. What is the speed? Speed. It's not here. I think it would be in the specs somewhere inside. Of all the thing, this one is the better one. It has the polychromic sync fan and it has RGB lights, everything. It's crazy. Let's open it. Let's see how is it. So this is in India. That cost is around 60,000 is the MRP. It's manufactured in May 2025, recently launched. Yes, let's open. And this is the installation manual. No problem, we'll see that later. Woo. And this is the thing. This is the beefy graphic card, which is a best in the middle range graphic card, I can say. Yes, there you go. That's the graphic card. Let me open it. Whoa, look at it guys, so beautiful. And it has the RGB lighting here, it comes. Okay, so when I mount it should come like this, and the RGB lighting, and this is the, what is it, serial number and everything. And you can connect the external controller also here, so we can turn off the or on the LED lighting also. Everything is cool. So let's remove this sticker. Yeah, that's cool. So what else are we waiting for? Let's get it mounted and see how it works. And this is one of the beautiful packing by ASRock. I think if you're going for the budget and mid-range GPUs, these are the best. I think it competes with NVIDIA 5080 also, which is very expensive, at least 20,000 expensive in India. I'm not sure about the other markets. So let's see. It's on par. It's not better, maybe it's on par is what I believe. Let's see. I'll get it installed on my CPU and let's see how it works. Okay, as you can see, the RX 9060 has been installed here. Now 9060 XT version, the Steel Legend version, you can see it's beautifully with my design, pcbuild design. The white is what the main thing I was looking, and it's mostly white everywhere except the motherboard. That also was supposed to get white, but no. And this cable I'm changing it, so I've ordered the white for this, so it looks better here. So Then see, everything is been installed perfectly. The build is completed. So I will tell you the configuration, everything in a separate video. This is only about the installing the graphic card RX 9060 XT. So let's turn on and see how it looks. I'm turning on. Wow, this is beautiful. You can see the light edge here also, and on the fans you can see all the 3 fans here. Wow, this is beautiful. You can adjust the lighting here. So there is this pin, you can see these 3 pins over there. So if you see this, you can adjust lighting with the remote which you have already. We can control it, so that's one of the thing. And also you can turn off, you can see I can turn off the light. You just push it and it turns off, and you can turn this side, it turns on. Okay, that's one more cool thing. So now next is, wow, this looks so beautiful. The color combination with my this cooler and everything perfectly fine. I'll turn off these lights, but I will switch it on. I don't think so it will work. So this is one more light, and I think white should be good. Yes, this finds. So that's it, guys. So the beautiful PC build has been completed with the CPU I am using is 9600X, which is good for my use, and RAM around 32 GB of DDR5, and rest motherboard B650 gaming, and the core, which one, core, the graphic card is what is it, 9060 XT. So next is I need to configure all the drivers and install everything and check how it's working. So the CPU is already set up, only thing missing was graphic card. I just brought it now. I didn't wait for anything. As soon as the 9060 got released, did some research, and yes, then I decided yes, this is the one I need, and I went for it. We have the competitor, what is it, 5060 and 5060 Ti also, but depends on your use case and budget, everything. If you compare with the 5060, I think this is very much better. Ti, with the 5060 Ti, I think it's on par. Maybe the Ti is slightly edging better, but when you compare the price and everything, yeah, AMD is the best. 9060 is the clear winner over there. So it depends basically on your usage. Also, first thing is not the price point, your usage and how, what all things you need to do, everything, and your monitor configurations, everything. Some monitor support the AMD FreeSync, some supports the other one, I don't know what they call for NVIDIA. So it depends on all of those things. So with that said, yeah, this is it. Finally the build is complete. So next video I'll show you the full configurations of my PC and everything. For now, that's it, guys. I'll just set up the drivers and install everything and configure it. See you, bye bye, and let's catch up in the next video. Okay, that's it, guys. So if you're new to the channel, kindly please subscribe. We'll get much more interesting contents. See ya, bye bye, take care.